Hey everyone, it's Matt, and we're down here at the job. And just to show you what's going on, there was a little pony wall here with a column on it. I don't know if I had it in my earlier video, but I've taken that out. And in 2 days, we've taken out this wall here and that other wall that went perpendicular to it and created a large opening here. It's about 10 feet wide. So we can put 2 columns and a header across here to open up the kitchen area a little bit more, so it's a little bit more of a party house. So we got a hole in the attic and a few other things. We're waiting for the heating guy. This has an old tin duct system in it, so we've got to head it off and make a boot and run our flex duct into the living room and into the kitchen area. And this is the kitchen. This is what we're going to be ripping out, and the color scheme is black and white. The island will be black, and the upper and lower cabinets in the back and to the side over here will be white with a brand new design. And we're going to be putting columns and a header over on this side into the family room, retexturing and repainting. I think it's going to be like a soft yellow or something like that. We're going to take off this wainscoting here, retexture these walls, create some new moldings for the doorways down the hallway. So a little bit of a makeover here. So I'm going to get back to work, and we'll keep you updated on the progress. Till then, y'all have a great day.